Good day everyone, welcome again to another episode of Tax Training, and today I will discuss to you how to fill up BIR form number 2306. No? So what is this 2306? This is the Certificate of Final Tax Withheld at Source. No? Final tax. Yung discuss natin previously, yung 2307, yun naman yung creditable. No? So sa mga videos natin, I was able to discuss to you ano ba yung pagkakaiba ng creditable withholding tax at saka ng final withholding tax. So sa the 2306, ito yung tinatawag natin na Certificate of Final Tax Withheld at Source. Pag sinabi nating final, hindi mo na siya isasama sa pag-compute mo ng income tax return mo. Bakit? Kasi yung i-withhold na dito na final na tax, sapat na yun ang pambayad ng tax. Wala ka nang i-compute, wala ka nang idadagdag. No? Samantalang doon sa creditable, hindi pa yun final. No? So, kailangan mo pa mag-compute, and then kung na-compute mo na yung exact na amount, saka mo palang ibawas yung withholding. Okay. So, ito na po yung line number 1 for the period from 2. No? So, kung ano yung period na covered. No? So, Part 1, income recipient or the payee information. Taxpayer identification number or TIN nung payee. Nung payee, ito yung binawasan, no, ng withholding. So, payee's name, the registered address on the foreign address kung meron. No? And then the ICR number for alien payee only. And then we have the withholding agent or payer information. Ito yun naman yung nagbayad, ito naman yung nag-withheld, no? Taxpayer identification number, and then the payer's name and the registered address, no? And then we have here the details of income payment and tax withheld. Attach additional sheet if necessary, no? Kung meron pa. So, what is the nature of the income payment? And then the alphanumeric tax code, the amount of payment, and then the tax withheld, no? Okay, so, and then nakalagay dyan yung total, and then this is signed also under the penalties of perjury. So, dapat, ang i-report po natin dito na mga information ay tama at hindi po mali, no? Kasi, mape-penalize tayo under the penalties of perjury, no? Which is a criminal act. And then signature over printed name ng payer or ng payer's authorized representative or ng tax agent, no? And then the tax agent accreditation number, attorney's roll number, date issue, and then the date of expiry. And then conforming signature over printed name ng payee, no? So hindi lang yung payer ang paperma, pati din po yung payee, yung binawasan, no? Okay. And then, if signed by the tax agent, accreditation number or attorney's roll number, date issue, and date of expiry, no? Dito naman, to be accomplished for value-added tax, percentage tax, withholding tax, or the substituted filing. No, ito yung, I declared under the penalties of perjury that the information herein stated are reported under BIR form number 1600, which has been filed with the Bureau of Internal Revenue. Ano yung 1600? Yun yung remittance ng final withholding taxes, no? So, ito naman, certificate lang ng withholding, pero yung payment, certificate of payment, yun yung BIR form number 1600. So, ibig sabihin, magka-partner sila, itong 2306 at saka yung BIR form number 1600, no? So, signature over printed name ng payer, payer's authorized representative, tax agent, indicate title, designation, and then the TIN or tax identification number. No? So, tax agent accreditation number, attorney's roll number, if applicable, date issue, and then date of expiry. No? Okay, so, I declare under the penalties of perjury that I am qualified under substituted filing of percentage tax, value-added tax return BIR from 2551Q, 2550MQ, since I have only one payer from whom I earned our income. That in accordance with RR 14-2003, ito pa yung mga unang withholding tax po na mga regulations, I have availed of the optional registration under the 3% final percentage tax withholding, 12% final VAT withholding, in lieu of the 3% percentage tax, 12% VAT, in order to be entitled to the privileges accorded by the substituted percentage tax return, substituted VAT return system prescribed in the aforesaid regulations, that this declaration is sufficient authority of the withholding agent to withhold 3% final percentage tax, 12% final VAT from my sale of goods and or services. No? Signature over printed name of payee. Payee is authorized representative tax agent. Ano po itong RR 14-2003? No? So ito po yung regulations that requires na pwedeng mag-withhold ng percentage tax o ng value-added tax ang isang taxpayer basta't ang income ng supplier is coming only from that customer niya, no? At saka yung customer na yan, nangangako siya na yung final tax na yan, i-withhold niya and then i-remit po niya sa BIR, no? So ito po yung sinasabi dito na itong 2306 withholding po ito ng kasama dito yung withholding ng VAT at saka percentage tax na nagiging final tax na 12% at saka 3% wini-withhold na upon sale of goods or services, no? So signature over printed name ng payee, authorized representative or tax agent. Then the tax agent accreditation number or attorney's roll number, date of issue and date of expiry, no? Okay. So, ito naman po yung schedule ng alphanumeric tax code. So, ito yung mga transactions na pwede pong pumasok dito sa 2306, no? So, income tax, kasi sabi natin, ito yung certificate ng final, no? Withholding. So, sa income tax, friends benefits, no? So, pwede siya dito. For citizen, resident citizen, alien, non-resident alien, engaged in trade or business. No? So, yung alphanumeric tax code niya, WF360. Non-resident alien at engaged in trade or business within the Philippines, WF330. And then interest yield from bank deposit substitutes government securities. No? Savings deposit, W1161. No? For corporate, WC161. Time deposit for individual, W1161. For corporate, WC161. Government securities, W1162 for individual, WC162 for corporate. No? Deposit substitutes other for individual, W1163, same with corporate. No? Pre-terminated long-term deposit investment. No? Hindi pa tapos, winidraw na. So, less than 3 years, W11440, no? Sa corporation naman, WC440. 3 years to less than 4 years, W1141, no? 4 years to less than 5 years, W1442, no? Foreign currency deposit, W1170, for corporate, WC170, no? Foreign currency deposit, amount withdrawn from the cedent's deposit account. Ito po yung sa mga estate tax na may pera sa bangko na pwede nilang i-withdraw pero mag-withdraw sa kanila ang bangko ng 6%. No? So, W1165. Interest yield from deposit substitutes, government securities. No? So, interest on foreign loans payable to non-resident foreign corporation, WC180. Interest and other income payment on foreign currency transactions payable to offshore banking units, OBUs, WC190. Interest and other income payments on foreign currency transactions, loans payable to foreign currency deposit unit, FCDUs, WC191. Cash dividend payment by domestic corporation to citizens and resident aliens, NRFCs, W1202, WC2124, Corporation. Property dividend payment by domestic corporation to citizens and resident aliens, W1203, for individual, WC2134, Corporation. No? Cash dividend payment by domestic corporation to non-resident foreign corporation was countries allowed tax deemed paid credit subject to tax pairing rule, WC 222, no, for corporation. Property dividend payment by domestic corporation to NRFC whose countries allowed tax deemed paid credit subject to tax-sparing rule, WC 223. Cash dividend payment by domestic corporation to non-resident alien engaged in trade or business within the Philippines, W1224. Property dividend payment by domestic corporation to non-resident alien engaged in trade or business, W1225. Share of NRATB in the distributable net income after tax of a partnership, no? So W1226. On other payments to non-resident foreign corporation, WC 230. Distributive share of individual partner in taxable partnership, association, joint account, or joint venture or consortium, W1240. All kinds of royalty payments, because royalty payments are subject to final tax, no? W1250. For corporation, WC 250. On prices exceeding 10,000 and other winnings paid to individuals, W1260. Bakit? Kasi final din po yung winnings na above 10,000, no? And then we have branch profit remittances by all corporations except PESA, SBMA, CDA registered, no? WC 280. On the gross rental, lease, and charter fees derived by non-resident owner or lessor of foreign vessels, WC 290 for corporate. On the gross rental, charters, and other fees derived by non-resident lessor or aircraft, machineries, and equipment, WC 300. On payment to oil exploration, service contractors, subcontractors, W1310 for individual, WC 310 for corporation. Payment to non-resident alien not engaged in trade or business within the Philippines, no, W1330. On payment to non-resident individual, foreign corporate cinematographic film owners, lessors, or distributors, W1340 for individual, WC 340 for corporate. Royalties paid to non-resident alien engaged in trade or business on cinematographic films and similar works, W13414 for individual. Final tax on interest or other payments upon tax-free covenant bonds, mortgages, deed of trust, or other obligations, W1350. Royalties paid to citizens, resident aliens, and non-resident alien engaged in trade or business on books or other literary works and musical composition, W1380. On interest payment to taxpayers enjoying preferential tax rate, ito na yun sa PESA, registered enterprises, WC 390. In former cost reward to individual or juridical persons, W1410 for individual, WC 410 for corporate. Income payments on capital gains tax on sale, exchange, or other disposition of real property for individual, W1450. Income payment on capital gains tax on the sale, exchange, or other disposition of land and building, corporate, WC 450. Cash or property dividend paid by a real estate investment trust, W1700 for individual, WIC 700 for corporation. Business tax, okay. VAT withholding on purchase of goods, no? WV010. VAT withholding on purchase of services, WV020. VAT withholding on purchases of goods with waiver of privilege to claim input tax credit, final, WV014. VAT withholding on purchases of services with waiver of privilege to claim input tax credit, final, WV024. Persons exempt from VAT under Section 109BB, Section 116 applies, WB084. Tax on winnings and prices, Section 126. Double forecast, Quinilla, Trifacta bits, government withholding agents 4%, WB191. Tax on winnings and prices on horse races, owners of winnings race horses, Section 126, government withholding agent 10%. Alphanumeric tax code is WB192. Tax on winnings and prizes, Section 126. No? Private withholding agents, WB193. Tax on winnings and prizes, Section 126, private withholding agents, WB194. VAT withholding from non-resident government withholding agent, WB040. VAT withholding from non-resident private withholding agent, WB050. So, yun po yung mga alphanumeric tax code natin. Or, in short, these are the transactions na dapat nagwi-withhold po tayo ng final tax. Okay? So, with this, I would like to say thank you. And for those na hindi pa po nag-subscribe, please subscribe to our channel. And we promise to bring you more information on taxation. The purpose of our YouTube channel is for you to have a better tax compliance. Good day, everyone, and thank you.